Hi guys, it's a great day out here at Johnson RV in Fife, Washington. My name is Hugh Gabrielson. I'm going to take you on a quick tour of this 2014 Thor Hurricane 27K. We are home of the largest premium pre-owned dealership in North America, so I'm excited to show you this. Let's start from the outside and work our way around. Got your one-piece windshield here. It's going to give you that nice panoramic view as you're going down the road. This is on a it's on a Ford chassis, Ford F53 chassis. This is the Ford Triton V10 engine here. So you got your built-in side cameras, so that enables you not to have those blind spots as you're in those small towns or when you're trying to change lanes. You got a nice little window here, so this is meant for the driver to be able to see down here as well, or a lot of people use it as a little doggy window. So here you got a nice little manual awning over the entryway here with your power steps below, so those automatically kick out when you need them to. Here you've got a nice slide out. You've got your slide topper on top here. That's going to prevent that debris from hanging out up there when you're bringing your slide in and out. And you notice this awning is actually built onto the slide out, so it's going to give you more space to enjoy out here. And that is power as well. So underneath here, you've got, this is just going to be where your house batteries are located and access points. Nice sideways doors. These are all lockable as well. Plenty of storage. They're all lighted in here as well. Up here above, you do have your 110 plugins. So you can plug in those appliances or whatever you're wanting to use outside. Maybe that blender. Over here, you got another storage. Again, that's lighted. Up top here, you got really good use of storage here as well, so you can really put in those lawn chairs, angle them in there, and utilize that space. We can always use the storage. We'll find something to fill that up. Now here, this is going to be a nice storage. It's going to go all the way through over here. These are lighted as well. Swinging back here in the back, you got your full step ladder here to access the roof, your backup camera, and then going down here you got your 5,000-pound tow hitch with your 7-way plug. Now what's really nice is you got your fuel tank located right here, not having to decide which side to pull up on the gas station and having your significant other nudging you in the ribs, getting upset. So your nice LED lighting, all your lights here. Your potable water access is up high. That way it's not going to be easily tampered with. Here you got your 4,000 watt Awning micro quiet generator. This is enough to completely power this coach if you're wanting to take those camping trips where you're not going to be plugged in. So you can still utilize the AC, microwave, and recharge those batteries. You got your 30 amp power cord here. Your city water connection. This is for when you're at those campsites that you're plugged in and you won't be running out of water there. Your furnace exhaust, 6-gallon hot water tank, and then we got a little for your cable inlet when you're at those campsites. So moving along down here, you got your dual tires in the back, gives you that nice stability. Your exhaust down here, along with, this is going to be where your gray and black tank empty valve is built up inside the coach. This is lighted as well. Right back here, you got your outdoor shower, hot and cold water, a little bit of storage you can utilize here, but your water pump's built up in there as well. Easy to access and replace if you ever need to down the road. This is going to be your propane fill. It's a nice sized propane tank there. Easy to pull up, get that filled in. Down here, you're just going to have more storage. Now you know there is These are, you can open these up and empty those out. So if you do get water or something in there, they are drainable. Let's swing inside and check it out. All right, guys, thanks for joining me inside. I'm up here in the front cab area. Nice, comfortable leather seats. You got your backup camera, side camera located right here to visually see that. All your controls are right here. This does have the auto leveling jacks. You got your desk area that'll flip out for the passenger there if you want to put your laptop, write a novel, read a novel. These chairs will also swivel around as well, add to the living space. You are set up here for a little table. If you're wanting to just have a little dinner for two as you're watching a movie or something, you can use that as well. Right up above me here, you actually got a drop down bunk. So this will sleep two. It is motorized, will come down when you got the extra, need the extra sleeping. That's great. Nice and solid as well. Over here in the living area, you got plenty of storage up above. Your day-night shades here. It's an L-shaped sofa with the table here. This will convert into a sleeping area as well. So right up here, you do have your entertainment right above the doorway here. Great space or place, so everyone can kind of enjoy that. Moving along in here in the kitchen area, you got your huge microwave here, 3-burner stove top, and then an oven as well as storage below that oven as well. You got a nice solid surface countertop, double sink here with your gooseneck faucet, built-in sprayer. It's always nice to have that window right behind the sink, and you can look out at everyone hanging out and playing outside. Over here you got your command center, you got your thermostat, start-stop your generator, checking your tank levels, very easily accessible. Your slat-out controls as well. Very, very simple. Here we'll switch spots here. You got an all-in-one bathroom. Let me turn on the light here. Your shower, skylight, porcelain toilet, and good storage in there, and counter space as well. Now, and as storage goes, there's a lot of storage in here too. You got a nice big open space down below. You can really configure things how you'd like. Over here you got your freezer, your fridge. This is gas and electric. And then you got a little pull-out pantry here. I know you can find some things to fill that up with. A little storage up above as well. So back here, going to the bedroom. Oh, and there is a solid door to close this off completely. Add complete privacy for the bedroom area. It's not going to have to be wide open, exposed to everyone else. You got a nice king bed back here. A walk-around king bed with the little shelving on each side. There's going to be a little more shelving over here. Great storage space as well. Over here, you're going to have your closets, along with a lot of storage down below as well. This is be a spot where if you wanted a TV, you can have one put in right here, along with a little counter space, and then a whole nother closet here as well. So much more to go into. Call and ask for Hugh at 253-286-0833. Talk to you later. Bye.